Well, this site, Pritchett's in Newton Ards, is part of the Lakeland Dairy Group. There's been dairy processing on this site since 1953. We process annually approximately 180 million litres of milk, specialising in UHT production and export to around 80 countries around the world. The milk itself is very local. We draw it from about 175 farms, all within a 30-mile radius of this facility, and we make approximately 200 different products here. Here at Pritchett's, we take very much a strategic approach to environmental issues. We have a long-term ambition to be a regenerative company. By that we mean one that puts more back into the environment than we take out. To help us meet that target, we have three aims. We aim to be carbon positive, we aim to waste nothing, and we aim to enhance the environment. To help us meet this objective, this ambition, we have a range of targets set over 5-year periods in line with our business planning cycle that address our complete value chain from our farmers, through our manufacturing processes, through to our customers. We also align all our actions with the UN Sustainable Development Goals. In terms of energy use on this site, we use approximately 45,000 megawatt hours a year. A lot of this is generated from our combined heat and power plant, which accounts for approximately 40% of our energy use. We were the first dairy plant in the UK or Ireland to use a CH power plant. Recent innovation in this set has been to introduce the use of biogas to replace the natural gas we were previously using. Energy efficiency is very important to us here at Pritchett's. Between the years 1999 and 2013, we managed to reduce carbon intensity per unit of product by approximately 80%. We now have plans to further reduce this energy use by 50% by 2021 from a 2016 baseline. A lot of this is based around our biogas and our CHP unit and further process efficiencies. However, it's not just mitigation of climate change that we target. We're also trying to help our farmers adapt to the consequences of climate change. For instance, recently we have just produced a guide for our farmers to help them respond to the business risks that are arising due to climate change. We use renewable biogas derived from food waste only, including food waste generated from our own production process. It's a great example of a circular economy. In June 2018, we signed a prosperity agreement with the Northern Ireland Environment Agency. This is a voluntary agreement between both parties that recognises that environmental protection and enhancement and economic success aren't mutually exclusive. The purpose of this agreement is to find ways both organisations can work together to achieve better business and environmental outcomes. For us, this is very important. Not only will it help us push on with our efficiencies here on site and become more efficient in our processing, but also we can address more issues on the farm. We use significant amounts of water here at Pritchett's, and it has always been a focus of our activities to try and reduce that water use. Over the past 4 years, we've managed to reduce water use per unit of product by 25%. As a dairy cooperative, we're very conscious of our reliance on natural capital. To this end, we have a range of programs in place to help our farmers improve how they interact with natural capital. For instance, we have a subsidised soil testing programme, but it's not just on farms that we recognise the importance of nature to our business. Here at Newton Ards, we are signatories to the All Ireland Pollinator Plan, and we manage a 4.8-acre area of woodland to the benefit of pollinators. One of the initiatives we're currently undertaking is a series of pilots around environmental profit and loss accounting. The importance of this is to establish our true impact, both positive and negative, on the environment. Once this is up and running, we shall then be able to evaluate our progress to meet our overall ambition to be a regenerative company.